take my hair from this to this. I want to make my hair by myself for the first time. Women that do their hair by themselves, come, are you a ritualist? Because they make it look so easy on the camera, and when you try to do it by yourself, oh my god, ew, it got into my mouth. So I'm trying to apply this leave-in in my hair because my hair breaks out a lot. So I decided that even if it takes me 1 hour, 2 hours to get this hairstyle done, I was going to get it. So this is the easiest ponytail you could see in the internet today. I'm going to teach you how to make the easiest ponytail with just these 3 items I'm holding. So first of all, I try to make my parting very equal. My hair is relaxed, by the way, but this can work for any kind of hair. The struggle to know what is happening at the back of your head and also at the front, it was so devastating. So I try to tie it tight enough, but not too tight, because I do not want any form of headache. I want to be able to sleep well at night. Remember when you go to all those hairdressers after doing parting gel, you can't even raise your eyebrow. No, I didn't want my skull being tight. I wanted it tight enough, but not too tight. So that's step one. Step one has been gone. Secondly is to use my brush to make sure it is all laid down. It is all laid down. Actually, this brush, I stole this from one of my ex. That's why it's good for you to make sure you don't leave the relationship empty-handed. That's by the way. So I really do not want a lot of gel, because I heard that gel cuts the hair. I don't know how true it is, especially this black gel. I heard that it cuts the hair, so I didn't really put a lot because my hair is naturally dark, but I just put a bit to be able to hold the hair together, because I'm just going to carry this hair for like 2 days maximum, and I'm going to wash it off. This is the struggle for me to get this demarcation lines. I slept there trying to get this line perfectly, and I'm kind of like a perfectionist. I try to be, at least, even if I'm not really good at that thing, I try to do my best to be like, okay, I actually did my best. If I could get this line more, I was able to then find a trick, but we are getting there. Look at that. Another virtue you need to possess when making your hair by yourself is patience. You need to be patient, and you need to know that this is something you're trying out for the first time. You're going to make mistakes, and you would be able to learn from it. So that I went to the next area. You know when hairdresser says, oh, I'm more faster in my right than my left. I'm more faster in my left than my right. I think I found my own weak spots. So I think at this point of my head, I think my left-hand side was a bit harder for me to do. But funny enough, it turned out more prettier than even the right. Can you imagine? So we are done with that. So it's time to seal the bun. So I sealed the bun and make sure that it is all tight, and I'm marrying the hair again. It was so pretty coming together. So this is now the trick. I got this this is a synthetic hair, by the way. I got it from the market. I really do not even know the name. I just wanted to get something that would not tangle too much, and it served me the purpose. So this is the trick. I'm going to be using just bobby pins. That's just hairpins to do it. I don't want any sewing, so it will be hard for me to lose. Remember, this is an emergency hair, something I can just rock a day plus and take it off. So as you guys can see, I'm putting the pin inside the weave on, and I'm going to choke that into the bun. See how hard it was for me to choke it. Okay, then I got it. Then I'm going to roll it around the hair while holding the beginning point steady, as you can see. Ponytail is one of the kind of hairstyles I know that just brings out people's face. Like, I don't know who ponytail doesn't fit. Like, I think 80% of the women look good on ponytail. And I really like this hairstyle because it is versatile. What do you guys think? Whether you have a small face, ponytail fits you. Whether you have a large face, a chubby face, any kind of shape of the face, ponytails just really goes with almost all shapes of face. It actually helps to define your beauty and bring out your face. I really like it. It's one of my favorite hairstyles. If they ask me what is my top 5 hairstyles, I'll pick ponytail as one of them. I really, really like it a lot. That's why even in weddings, little brides, they always get that kind of shape of ponytail and every other thing, because it just helps to define the beauty. So this is the second wrap of hair I'm using to make it a bit full. As you can see now, the weight of the hair is a little bit more defined. Then I took this and I wrapped it around the hair. And at this point, I was really proud of myself, because this is the first time I was attempting something like this. And it was beginning to look good. Oh, look at that. Then it's time to dry. So basically, I dried this for like 5 to 10 minutes, and it was fine, because remember, I didn't put a lot of gel on my hair. So, and I discovered that, okay, I could add something to beautify it. Look at the texture of the hair. Wow. Doesn't even look like synthetic. So I said add this little red ball. It really added more beauty to the hair, made me look like a Cinderella. And something was missing. Something was missing in this hair, and boom. I did this, and you guys, I love the result. It was so beautiful. You guys, look at that. Would you be trying this?